Hi, my name Rosie Riddle. I'm gonna fuck Ryback. He gonna piss in my mouth, and I'm gonna drink it. And it's gonna be like drinking from the urinal out at the Dome Arena. Yeah, I clean up chairs and half fucking cups of piss, and I go in the girls' room and I eat bloody tampons for a living. That's my dinner for the night. My pay, eating bloody tampons. And then I take the fucking salt rocks and lick them so you don't sweat from drinking all the dark piss beer out of the urinals. It tastes like Kool-Aid. Yeah, last night I went in the girls' room and my boss, man, she pulled out her plug and I started sucking on it for a Bloody Mary. I needed alcohol in my system. I was going through a withdrawal. I was going to have a seizure on Ryback's back. And Mr. McMahon walked in and said, pull that thing out. And he did. It was full of peanut butter shit. So I'm gonna go to Dome Arena next time the wrestlers come, and we're all gonna go to Woody's and get fucked up. And I'm gonna go in the bathroom, piss in every wrestler mouth, give them some dark piss beer. Yinglings. And if you come to my nephew's graduation party, you gotta drink my dark piss beer. And I'll making fun of you. I'll be Bobo the ass clown that day, all drunk, talking shit. If you don't like it, hump it.